Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today let's take care of some things that tends to bother me. I made up this t-shirt char cloth several videos back just to show you one of the emergency ways that you can make fire with a t-shirt. I don't like t-shirt char cloth, so let's go ahead and finish using up the few pieces that are in here. I just want to take some pine cones, fit them together, put the rest of that char cloth down in there, and we'll use flint and steel and ignite them. And this stump right here, let me cut away to a video that shows you. I'm gonna cut that little stump off. I've tripped over it enough. I have tripped over this little stump numerous times. It's got to go. This is my already dull Corona saw. Good. Won't be tripping over it anymore. Three pine cones that are opened up real well, which means that they're good and dry. And we'll put some down in the stove here, along with our cut off stump. You're gonna fit them together. You two turn one right side up, one upside down. Fit it in there. Same thing with this one. And then flint and steel ignite it. Alright y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. By the way, this is a great way to make some of the hottest coals you've ever made in case you need to burn some very wet wood. We'll catch you on the next one.